Hello. The wintry weather will remain in place for much of this week. Met Office weather warnings remain in place, and there are also many flood warnings from the Environment Agency also issued because of the wet weather we saw over the weekend. This area of cloud is an area of low pressure that is now heading out into the North Sea. But the isobar's pretty closely packed across the UK. It's windy out there, and that is a cold wind. The wet weather is retreating, but still some snow mixed in over the hills of eastern England as it starts to pull away out into the North Sea, and showers are following on across northern Scotland. Snow mixed in here, and a mix of rain, sleet and hail showers coming into Northern Ireland, Wales and southwest England through the afternoon. Many places though turning drier and brighter, at least through the day, but even if you see the sun, do not expect any warmth. These are the top temperatures: 3, 4, 5 in many areas, actually turning colder through the afternoon as the cold air pushes back in across East Anglia and the southeast. And when you add on the wind, well, it feels colder still, feeling much closer to freezing. So a chilly wind bringing in those showers, which will get heavier again across northern Scotland through this evening, and as temperatures tumble, that could again lead to some very icy conditions. Met Office yellow warning in place here. Then we have to look at this little weather feature: an increasing amount of showers coming into Northern Ireland. Rain perhaps at low levels, but sleet and snow certainly likely here. Same goes for Wales and then southwest England as the showers increase through the night. We could easily see quite a bit more snow in some locations, but it's going to be very patchy. Mostly close to the coast it will be rain or sleet, but inland we could easily see several more centimetres, and same goes for southwest England. And even if it is rain that falls, it could well turn icy as those temperatures tumble away. We'll see some of those showers just drifting a little further inland as we head towards dawn as well. These are the overall temperatures, so again dipping down close to freezing or below, even in towns and cities, and well below in rural spots, and feeling colder with that brisk wind, particularly across northern Scotland, where the ice and snow risk continues for most of Tuesday morning. Same goes for Northern Ireland, and further showers coming into Wales and the southwest of England. Again, that mixture of rain, sleet and snow making for some slippery conditions on the roads. Many places, again though, across the Midlands and certainly much of eastern and southern England, looking dry, fine and sunny through much of Tuesday. But again, it is going to be on the cold side. The wind's still bringing the air down from the north. The wind's generally lighter in many places tomorrow, so perhaps it won't feel quite as cold as today. But obviously when we've got these showers coming in, temperatures are going to struggle somewhat, and we're only looking at highs of 4, 5, maybe 6, 7, perhaps 8 in the far southwest late in the day. And we do need to look down to the southwest as things start to change as we go around the middle part of the week. Tuesday evening, again, we'll see that frost forming pretty rapidly. So wherever we've got showers, whatever flavour those showers are, hail, sleet, snow, it could well turn icy. But notice down to the southwest, the cloud starting to thicken. There is a weather system looming out in the Atlantic, an area of low pressure. Now that's got some pretty mild air with it, but we've got the cold air in place across the UK. And as these weather fronts approach, they are going to bring the moisture. Bit of a question mark about exactly where this weather front sits. It could easily be a little further north than is shown here, but it's going to bring that wet weather where it hits the colder conditions across the south, likely to generate some snowfall. But big question mark about how far north, how far south it gets. Now there is a Met Office snow warning that has been issued because it could be further north, but equally it could stay further south. We may not see much snow at all. It's just one to watch at this stage, because if it is further north, it could bring some heavier snow during Wednesday across these southernmost counties of England. But I must stress, at this stage, it is far from guaranteed. It's just something we're keeping an eye on at the moment. So please do keep up to date with the latest weather forecast. Keep up to date with all those weather warnings as well. You can do that on our website and, of course, on our app. And if you haven't already, then I suggest you subscribe to our YouTube channel.